Hi there, Norman with iSaveTractors.com. In this video, I'm going to show you my foot-controlled hydrostatic pedal modification for our Cub Cadet 149 tractor loader backhoe. I've had a lot of requests requesting me to come up with a solution to turn the hand-controlled hydrostatic lever on a 149 and make it into a foot-controlled. It took me a little while to figure everything out, but I've worked out a perfect way to do this if you have a tractor with a front end loader or backhoe or both. With this setup, I am able to control the hydrostatic forward and reverse with both the hand lever and the foot lever. Check it out. Here are the parts and components for this foot control modification. This right here is the pedal assembly. This is a piece of 1/2 inch cold rolled round, and as is this one. It's welded onto this 1 1/4 inch wide piece of 3/16 inch flat bar that I've bent at an angle. It's welded to this 1 inch diameter shaft. I'm also using these two 1 inch inner diameter lock collars. I have this one right here, which is 100% stock, and then this one I've modified by welding this piece of flat bar onto it with a 1/4 inch hole at the top. This is what will be controlling the actual hydrostatic linkage as I push these pedals. I also have here these two tie rod ends. The tie rod ends are 1 1/4 inch by 28 inch fine thread. So this is 1/4 by 28, and then the threaded rod that goes in between them is 1/4 by 28. That is what's going to connect all of this together. Let me show you how this all goes in. Here's our hydrostatic pedal all installed in the tractor. The pedal runs through that hole where the mower deck lift used to be. It comes through here. I have one of the locking collars installed right there, and that just helps prevent side-to-side movement of the shaft. Runs along here. Here's that second locking collar with a piece of that flat steel welded to it. It comes up here. It connects to the two tie rod ends, which connects to the hydrostatic lever that comes up to the dashboard. So this is how it works. So put the brake on, it goes to neutral. I can control the forward and reverse motion with this hand lever, or I can now do it with my foot. As you can see, I can push the pedal down, and then this hand pedal will go up. And then I can slow it down by pushing back on my heel to reverse. And I can bring it back to neutral by pushing the brake or by leveling out my foot. So here it is. Forward. If I want to slow it down, instead of putting my foot on with both my heel and my instep on it, I can actually put one foot down, push it forward, and if I need to slow it down, I can then pick my heel up and push down on the heel. And the reason I cut out these kind of low profile steel rounds is because if I don't want to use the foot pedal, the rest of my foot remains quite comfortable sitting next to the foot control, but not on it. There's still plenty of room for my foot to sit here.